All right, just wanted to show you guys this new rain gauge that I received, and it's a pretty good quality. This plastic is seems to be very durable, hard, will last hopefully many seasons out in like harsh weather, either with sun or wind and rain, cold, all that. So you can see it goes all the way up to 7 inches, and it is broken down into 1-inch increments, as well as in between that there are tenths of an inch. So if you get like a really small amount of rain, and if it's under an inch or under half an inch, you'll be able to read that pretty easily. And it has this blue stripe in the back, which helps to kind of illuminate, just like focus a little bit better on the amount of rain that you can read in there. So I really like that as well, as opposed to normally a lot of these rain gauges, they're just clear, but I like that blue stripe because you see it from back here. It kind of like makes the water look like it's blue. So from afar, before you want to go outside or whatever, maybe you can see it from far away. It kind of magnifies that. And you can see here, I just put some water in, but so it looks like we're just under 3.5 inches, maybe like 3.3, 3.4. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to using this rain gauge. Right now I just have it mounted on this wooden pole, but you could put it in the ground if you want to. Maybe you want to like bury it an inch or so just to give it some stability somewhere in your yard or whatever. Or maybe if you just want to put it like in your garden bed or wherever. Yeah, a lot of flexibility where you can put this thing. I don't think I'm gonna get 7 inches. Where I live, we don't usually get 7 inches for maybe a month if we're lucky in the wintertime. But maybe like an inch or so, or half an inch is probably what I'm looking at for most of my weather. So maybe I'll do another update when I get into the rainy season where I live, and I'll see how it's been working for me. I'm looking from inside my house now, and from where I can see, I can definitely pick how much water is in the rain gauge. So I'll definitely be able to know, if I'm inside the house here. I don't have to go outside and get wet, but I'll definitely be able to see, I'm probably like 30 feet away. So I do love that as well. I'll be able to see how much rain's in that container from inside my house.